We all have a past. Lahat tayo may maling desisyon. Minsan, ang buhay talaga parang highlight reel ng bloopers. Pero, hindi ka nakatali doon. Every day gives you a clean slate. Kahit kahapon medyo sablay, today offers you another shot. Parang phone lang na naghang. Minsan, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. You can choose one small step. You can fix one habit. You can say one kinder word. You can try again. You only need to be better than yesterday. Kahit konting improvement lang, it counts. Sabi nga, hindi ka makakabuo ng 100 kung hindi ka magsisimula sa piso. Ganito na lang ang isipin mo. Your past can inform you, but it cannot imprison you. You get to write the next part, and you can start right now.